Free Fire? Welcome to the Kelly Show, and I'm your host, Kelly! Oh, you guys! Has it been a year already? I can't believe it's been a year since What's Up Free Fire first aired. A big thank you to all you players for being with us! I'm sure you guys are all fired up after watching the Free Fire World Series last week. I am definitely eager for some action now. So, first up, the new Clash Squad season. In this new season, the rank Grandmaster will be added to Clash Squad. This rank is the crown jewel of Free Fire and a true symbol of the greats. Be sure to train with your squad and start on this new post-heroic journey. Oh yes! The Golden M1014 will be the new season reward, so there's something new for everyone. Talking about Grandmaster, in the new patch, the number of players in this rank will be adjusted for both Battle Royale and Clash Squad, making overall experience more fun and competitive. And now, on to Kelly's, my new favorite game mode, Pet Rumble. Crisis in the lab. An experiment went badly wrong, and scientists were turned into pets. The real pets in the lab are overjoyed as they enjoy their new companions. While the scientists desperately complete tasks to transform themselves back, the prankster pets will try to prevent that from happening by pretending to help. Have you enjoyed the deceptions and the strategies, but find it hard to get more room cards? In this patch, Pet Rumble will be opened to matchmaking. Turn your mic on and let the fun begin! Oh! On to character enhancements. We have received overwhelmingly positive feedback from players who enjoyed the buffs on Wukong and Raphael. In this patch, we'll continue our adjustments to older characters, starting with Paloma. Now her skill will no longer be limited to AR ammos. All ammo types will benefit from her passive skill, Arms Dealing. Other characters are also getting enhancements. For a full list, please check out the patch notes on our official site. Also, do drop a comment and let the devs know which other characters you'd like a buff for. Apart from characters, enhancements have also been made to the map in this patch. More loot points will be available in Battle Royale mode, making the overall tempo more intense. War chests are adjusted so that they drop weapons depending on your team size. Everyone on the team can have something useful, while single players will not be overarmed with too many guns. These chests will also contain airdrop grade weapons from time to time, so they are definitely worth checking out. It's weapon time! A new SMG, the Uzi, will be upon us in this update. I can't wait to lay my hands on this classic hotshot. The following weapons will also be going through adjustments to make the game more balanced and fun. And that's it for Season 2, Episode 3 of What's Up Free Fire. As usual, catch you in the game! Crisis in the lab. An experiment went badly wrong, and scientists were turned into pets. The real pets in the lab are overjoyed as they